Today, I'll show you how to record a partial payment in Wave accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for your side hustle, keeping track of partial payments can be crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. Fortunately, Wave accounting makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section in Wave. Depending on your version, this may be labeled as Sales or Sales and Payments. Once there, look for the drop-down tab and select Invoices. This is where all your sales transactions are neatly listed, allowing you to choose which invoice you need to update with a partial payment. Once you're on the invoice preview screen layout, you'll notice a blue button at the top labeled Record a Payment. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the payment input screen where you can enter the details of the partial payment you've received. Now that you have the payment parameter fields in front of you, let's go through them one by one. First, you'll need to select the payment method. This is simply how you received the money, whether it was through a bank transfer, cash, check, or some other means. Make sure to choose the option that accurately reflects the payment method used by your customer, as this helps in maintaining consistent financial records. Next, you'll need to select the account. This refers to the specific asset account where the funds were deposited. You might have several accounts to choose from, such as a bank account or a cash-on-hand account. Selecting the correct account is crucial for ensuring that your financial statements accurately reflect where your money is. Now, let's move on to the date field. Here, you'll want to select the exact calendar date on which the partial payment was received. Accurate dating is essential for clear financial tracking, especially when it comes to reconciling your accounts at the end of the month or fiscal year. Here comes the critical tweak. Wave accounting is designed to facilitate full payments, so by default, it autofills the entire remaining balance in the amount field. Since we're recording a partial payment, you'll need to adjust this. Double-click into the amount text box to clear the total that is automatically filled in. Once it's cleared, type in the exact amount of the partial payment you received. This step ensures that your records accurately reflect the actual transaction that took place. And there you have it. Once you've completed these fields, you can save the transaction and your partial payment will be recorded in your Wave accounting system. This simple process helps keep your accounts organized and your financial reporting accurate, allowing you to focus on what matters most growing your business. So, whether it's a small portion of an invoice or a larger chunk, recording partial payments accurately in Wave accounting is essential for effective financial management. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your invoices and payments in Wave. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.